Hi everyone and welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how easy it is to add texture to your text. This is a technique that will make your text pop off the page. Adding texture is an easy way to make boring text look way more interesting in Photoshop. With just a few steps, you can transform plain text into something unique and outstanding. So, let's start. Before adding textures, you need some text. Open Photoshop, create a new project, and then grab the text tool from your toolbar. Feel free to write any words you desire and adjust their size accordingly. But larger text tends to showcase textures more effectively. You can position the text wherever you prefer, but placing it in the middle of your canvas often works well. Now, let's add the texture. First, of course, you need a texture. Photoshop has some built-in ones like paper, bricks and metal that you can use. You can also find some unique textures online if you want something different. For this tutorial, I will use a military camo texture. All I need is to drag and drop it onto the canvas over the top of the text. Now, position the texture to get over your text. This move will make the text disappear under the texture right now. This is normal and exactly what you want. Now it's time to create a clipping mask. With the texture layer selected, hold down the Alt key on a PC or Option on Mac and hover between the two layers in the Layers panel until you see a little arrow icon. Click between the layers and the texture will clip to the text, revealing it through the texture. Now you can get creative with the blending modes and layer styles to make your texture text stand out even more. Try switching your texture layer to different blending modes like multiply or overlay and see how they interact with the text in different ways. The possibilities are endless when texture is involved. Experiment with different textures, blending modes and layer effects to find unique combinations. So if you want to easily take basic text to the next level, remember to grab a texture and use a clipping mask to combine them. This simple Photoshop trick opens a whole new world of text effects that you can use to stand out. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to use the comment section and I will do my best to respond.